Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new topic: difference between two dates, starting date and end date, mention time. It is our data. It has mentioned starting date, start date and end date. Here you see end date mention time. We need to know difference between two dates. 18th October with time, but we need to know the difference between the two dates, 18th October and 16th October. If we use simple formula equal to this minus this, then the result showing 2.4423. How to know the exact result? To we use formula here equal to int bracket open end date minus start date bracket close, enter. The result is 2. No decimal showing here due to end date mention time. We just copy and paste in remaining cells. Here you see 16 minus 19, 3. If you here type 26 October 2021 and time mentioned on report 7, 26 minus 16, 10. If we type here 17th October 2021, 5:59, 17 minus 16, 1. Hopefully you understand this video. For your reference, formula is mentioned here as well. Hopefully you understand this video. If you like this video, you may share with your other friends. That will helpful for them as well. Thank you so much and take care.